Hello, welcome to Erin Lee's Beauty. I'm Erin, and today we're going to be doing reviews. It's the day of the week where we go over everything that we've been using this past week and review it. I normally do my reviews on Monday. However, I do have a really busy day tomorrow. I start a new job tomorrow, and I have some things planned with the kids after work. So I figured it'd probably be easier just to go ahead and do the review today. And I have been using Medusa's makeup and some things from the Babe box that I have got in the mail. The first thing that I got that I wanted to talk about was from Medusa's makeup is this Byrd Unicorn Magic, and it's for your hair, face, and pillow. And I wasn't too sure about this when I first got it. It's just like a refresher mist. So it just gives you like a refreshment, so like a refreshment on your pillow or your hair. And it smells a lot to me like aromatherapy. It does not smell bad. It smells good. It's not that real clean smell like other hairsprays that I've gotten in the past, but it does smell good. Next up is this Brenda Dillion Kelly lipstick. Now, I only did use this one time, well, for one day this week, due to that one of my subscribers slash friends sent me a box of things to have, and I've been trying to use some of those things this week as well, just to kind of enjoy them a little bit before I have to move on to my next week. So I did like it. It is a very pretty color. Could go with just about anything. It is a darker pink, but I did enjoy it. It did last pretty well throughout the day that I had it on. Next up, this Medusa's Mineral Glitter. I absolutely loved it in the shade Meteor. I've been using it every single day right here in the inner corner, and I feel like it's beautiful. It's such a lovely color. It definitely seems more like a shimmer than a glitter, but it's absolutely gorgeous. Love it. Definitely would recommend it for just going in with that inner corner with any look. It looks fabulous. And then next up, I have the Medusa's Baked Eyeshadow. And I used this a few times this week. And I really did like it. The only thing I didn't like is that it's only one color. So I did have to go into my other palettes and get like a darker brown to kind of bring some dimension to my eyes. With just the one color, I don't really feel like I could do much with that. But I did really enjoy the formula and the eyeshadow itself. Moving on to my Babe box items that I've been using this past week. I used this Babe lip masks, and I do like them. They are very large, so they do sit around your lips, which I do like for two reasons. Number one, everybody has different sized lips, and that way if someone does have larger lips, that they will be able to get all of the lips in the mask. And number two, it's probably really important as well to also treat the area around the lips that often doesn't get treated and we skip over. So that got treated as well. The next up is this Glow on Fifth lip scrub. I have been using this. I've used this a few days this week, and I really love the smell of it because it's in the scent strawberry. It smells so good. And I've been, as you can see, I have been using it. I did enjoy this product. It left my lips feeling exfoliated and very smooth and hydrated as well afterwards, because they have something in here that also like hydrates at the end. I don't know what it is, but it feels really nice on my lips. Definitely a plus for this. And last but surely not least was this Sunstone Earth Harbor hair serum. I've only used just a little bit of it because I don't want to make my hair greasy, but at the same time too, I think it's I wanted to definitely be able to try it out and talk about it. Have I noticed a significant difference in my hair? No, but I've only been using it for 1 week, so possibly it could have some benefits. I do like the way it feels in your hair, but like I said, you only want to use a little bit because it's oil, and you don't want to make your hair very oily. I do apologize about the change of scenery. I just realized that the last little bit of the video I just recorded, the camera was messed up a little bit, so I just was gonna pop in real quick and finish telling you that I do apologize that there wasn't that many things that I went over this week. However, I did get sent that box from my friend slash subscriber, So I went ahead and was able to enjoy some of the stuff out of that box as well this week. It gave me a little bit of freedom to play in that stuff a little bit, so it was exciting for me. I do apologize again about the lack of products that I've reviewed this week. Anyways, that's everything that I have for you today. I'm Erin. Thanks so much for watching.